Welcome back to Wegs Garage. We got a beautiful day here. It's April 2024. Working on our Triumph TR4 again. Yeah, that's right, we're back. It has been a while, and I guess perhaps it's maybe because there's been a small issue that we haven't really mentioned to anyone. And if you look closely behind me, you might be able to figure out what it is. Anyway, I'm not going to go into it now. We got some work to do. Stay tuned. Alright, so if you haven't figured it out by now, in this point in the video, we are removing the transmission from our Triumph TR4, which is a pretty fun process. On this car, transmission comes out through the cockpit here, so all the interior comes out. The carpet kind of snaps down, so it's easy to take out. It's not too bad. Then we got to take the trans cover off, remove all the accessories from the transmission, prop shaft, bell housing, all that stuff, and then pull this 100-pound monster out of here. So working on getting stuff out now, and we'll get it on the bench.
You say fun? I'm gonna buy you a new dictionary.
It's the opposite dictionary.
Whoa.
Well, we're free.
Yeah. You should just pull it out.
Well, yeah, see, I'm still hung up on this. It might not have been the right move because I still can't get this mount out of here. Let it go forward again.
We need to shove it back into the engine.
Well, that'd be nice, but I don't know if it's going to.
How the hell did we do that?
Well, the only thing I can think of is it might have been the wrong bolts to take out for the mount.
What do you mean?
Because this piece comes out too. Well, theoretically.
Oh, so you're
leave
saying
it.
the whole crossover bracket comes out.
I don't know.
You might be right on that.
Unless this thing will keep moving back.
I don't
And
think it's
up.
going to. I don't think it's going to because it's got a long way to go, Mark. Okay, you're out.
Okay.
You gotta grab the trim. You ain't gonna be able to hold it. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Go back. Oh. There. Got it.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, stop.
Good?
Rest.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Doesn't really make much difference. That's fine.
Now get out. Because you were crammed up against the heater box.
We did it. Well, it's there.
Calling sick when it's time to put it back. God damn.
So, yeah, we got our transmission wrestled out of the TR4. So here's what's going on. We removed the transmission again because we've been dealing with a really serious oil leak out of the transmission. We're pretty sure that it's been leaking between the main housing of the transmission and this seal on the overdrive adapter plate. As you can see, we attempted to kind of a bodge job to see if we could get it to slow down a little bit. Obviously not a permanent fix. So we knew this was coming. We decided to take it apart. We're going to take it apart. We'll do kind of a full check and see if we can figure out where we went wrong, and also probably try to find some better gasket sealant or something to seal that up. I've also read that some of the bolts kind of leak in there and stuff too. So we'll be reevaluating that, but that's going to be next time. Stay tuned for more on the transmission. For now, we're going to enjoy a nice beer. Cheers. What?
It's bowed.
Okay.
Well, it's supported up here by the bell housing, right?
Uh-huh.
It's supported back here by the mounts, right? Don't record this.
Keep going.
So it's like, and where does it leak? See, solved.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Done.
Got it.